Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a photo enhancement. Um, I have given you instructions, a written tutorial. This written tutorial has a lot of different ways and a lot of different things to do. But I'm just going to show you some of the easy ways, the kind of ways that we probably would use more often. You're free to do with what my video says. I'm going to click this picture. I'm going to right click, save image as. I don't know her, she's from the web. I'm going to save it to my desktop. See? I'm going to go to Photoshop. I'm going to do File Open. Where is she? Here she is. And I'm going to Control plus plus to zoom in on something of her, probably her eye. And I'm going to use the pen tool. And watch what I do. The pen tool, I'm just going to do a lot of little clicks to go around her eye. And I don't have to be perfect with it. Just going to get close. Then I'm going to close it. Now over here in the Paths tool, in the Paths panel, it's next to the layers, next to the channels. It kind of does a little, it's called a work path. I'm going to go follow my cursor to this dotted circle. This dotted circle is going to turn my work path into a selection. Now I can do whatever I want within that area. I'm going to start with image, adjustments, and I'm going to try hue. No, I'm going to try color balance. That'll be fun. So this window opens up. I can just drag it. See her eye changing color? Get a Caribbean blue. I hit OK. Control D to deselect, or go to select, deselect. And then I could do the other one, or I could have done them at the same time. Next thing I'm going to do, so that was using the pen tool. I could use this polygonal lasso tool as well. I'll trace her lips this time with the polygonal lasso tool. This one doesn't use working path. This will automatically make it into a selection once I close it. Be careful because two clicks close it, 3 clicks deletes it. 3 clicks, I'll start over. Okay, so there's my selection. I'm going to try it again. I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments. I did color balance. I could try a different one. I'm going to try hue and saturation. Very similar in the way it works. Oh, green, purple, blue, the pink. Kind of too close to what she already had. I'll hit OK. Control D or deselect. Oh, I could take this area of her cheek and draw a circle, close it up, 2 clicks. Let's try, there's the burn tool. There's a blur and there's a burn. I'm going to hold down and get the, there it is. Burn tool is right here. I'm going to hold it down and use other tools. Watch what happens. I can put what looks like a burn right on her in that area. Go back. See that? Control D. See that darkened area? That kind of gives her a tan. Watch what happens. I'm still in the burn tool. Watch what happens if I do it again. Again, I'll do it over here too. There's a little shadow over here. But if I do it too much, it'll literally look like she's getting burned. It'll look disgusting, actually. I can make it look like she has a hole in her head if I just keep on going. Keep on going. That's pretty scary. Okay, so that's a real ugly result there, but I just wanted to show you how these tools work. And when you follow the written tutorial, yours isn't going to look ugly in the end, and sure will look real nice. File, as, give it a name, and upload it to Schoology. Good luck.